Eileen, and today I'm going to be showing you the amazing new Mermade Pro tool. Now, if you've watched my old video, you would know how much I love Mermade, and I really didn't think the old tool could get any better, but it definitely has. I am going to show you how I did this look today, which you can either flip to one side or another or keep in the middle. It's really up to you, but it's super simple, and I'm going to run through all of the specs with the new Pro. So whilst it's heating up, just looking at the tool, it looks slightly different. The latch is slightly more sturdy and way easier to hold. I usually split my hair up into 4 sections, like so. Then I'm left with 2 sections at the bottom. My Mermade Pro is now set to 180 degrees. I never go any hotter than this. The guys at Mermade have said that this new Mermade Pro takes 50% less time than the first one. So there we have it. There is one side of my hair done that literally took me less than a minute. I'm gonna go over and do the other side. The button here can sometimes get accidentally pressed, and with the old tool, if you accidentally press the off button, it would switch off. So now the only way you can switch this tool off is if you actually hold the button down, which is amazing. I popped some of this heat styling spray in my hair before I started using it, so I'm just gonna pop in some more. What I'm most excited about the Mermade Pro is how it's actually better for your hair than the last tool. They've improved the ceramic and ionic plates on the tools, so it's a lot better for your hair. Curls actually last longer than the old tool, which I found really hard to believe when I first got told, but they do. Got the last little bit on top. This stuff smells so delicious. Please excuse my tremendous amount of regrowth. I am in Victoria, so just gotta, you know, work the regrowth look. My hair is so soft. Oh. Okay, so I kind of just let that sit first, and then I'll go over it all at the end. Oh my god, my hair smells so nice. Now I've just got the last little bit here and we're done. So dark at the top. Oh, maybe I should just go dark. Wow. If you guys could feel my hair through the camera, I'd let you feel it. It is so soft. I cannot believe I did this in literally 7 minutes. All done. Absolutely love this beachy wave look, but I don't necessarily want to have to jump in the ocean to get my hair to look like this. So this is a winner for me.